time nobody would drive. Maybe I should put the sail in when I put the boat in the water. Here we... Not yet. Not yet. I'll tell you when to move. Okay. Ready? Steady, go. You're supposed to have it towards the up.
Whoop.
I'm supposed to finish strong. Go up. The duck. I hit the duck. But then that's the finish line. Didn't you know I'm not playing Guess Giving Mine a Y? Didn't you know this? Right? Oh, I did not realize that. Finish line, I mean.
Woo!
Actually, I will. This time I'm just giving mine a My mom's gonna love with mine I'm going to be right back.
Okay. Maybe should you put your boat in the stand so that it doesn't get the rudder ruined? You're really good at putting it away. Okay. Good job, Jeej.
This one's fun. Where's my stand?
Oops.
That's okay.
They win I hate doing this. They win this kind of ride. Oh, let's hope this is going to be so fun. But always remember, I am the driver.